I am putting a spider plant, into something smaller. I feel like I was getting lazy one day. This is the pot I had, and it's too big for what it is. It's too tall. It doesn't fit in anything nicely. So it's on the side. I tend to forget about it. It's definitely not filling up the whole thing here. Take some of these straggly babies off. Oh, that's pretty good. Some more there. My son does really well with spider plants. He loves growing little ones. He gives them to his friends. He gives them to his teachers. It's really cute. Okay, so we are going down in size today. I know, not the typical repotting video. Too big of a mess here. I have a mix of a third Happy Frog, a third coconut core, and some pumice. I usually add some of our worm casings, but you know what? Today didn't feel like going in that box. I fed them yesterday. I don't want to open it today. It's hot. It's gross. Let me just work on repotting. So we'll give it some fresh soil. I don't even know how big this thing is going to be. Not too big. Yeah, look at this. I mean, it's got nice, healthy rhizomes. It's 2 plants in here, which isn't... They're white. They're looking good. Some of it's a little rotted. Take those away. Man, I was very lazy on it. Rotted this one. Didn't have an audience. But yeah, so I'm just picking out and throwing into my yard the pieces of rot. And as you can see, I mean, this is the root ball. This is the pot. And it's too wet. I don't know why it wasn't draining that well. It does have a lot of drainage holes. That was not the issue. But I think it was sitting in a pot, a catch pot, that I didn't always empty out. Ooh. Okay, there's a lot of root rot. More than I expected to see. I'm glad we opened this one up. This one might not be one I put the effort into saving. We do have a lot of spider plants. We sell a lot of spider plants. It's such a nice gift. You know, they can do with so many different light levels. If you don't know, if it's a housewarming gift and you don't know what their light situation is like in their house. So it's pretty good soil. Might be too... You know, there's not much drainage in the soil. So let's add better draining soil. Put that in there. There's definitely some healthy roots there. Definitely some unhealthy roots there, so we shall see how this goes. But it did not need to be a pot that big. And we can propagate this plant, make some babies. Hopefully they will fare better than their mother. Just put this right in there. Ooh, use that all. Them out. And I will bottom water this one and put it back in the house. But look at this. Come on. What was I thinking? I wasn't. I absolutely was not thinking. Next, we need soil. You know what? We do have soil.